In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide installed apps in Google Play. If you want to make certain apps less visible inside the Play Store, one of the most effective built-in methods is to use parental controls. This doesn't uninstall anything from your device, and it won't remove apps from your phone's home screen. What it does is hide restricted apps from Play Store search results and browsing based on the age rating you choose. To get started, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. This opens your account and settings menu. From there, scroll down and select Settings. Inside Settings, find the Family section and tap it to expand the menu. Then choose Parental Controls. This is where you can control what type of app content appears in the Play Store. Next, turn parental controls on by tapping the switch. The Play Store will ask you to create a PIN and then confirm it. This PIN is important because it prevents someone else from changing these restrictions without permission. Make sure you choose a PIN you'll remember since you'll need it later if you want to adjust or disable the settings. After parental controls are enabled, tap Apps and Games. You'll now see different age rating options. Select the maximum rating for the apps you want to remain visible in the Play Store. For example, if you choose Everyone, then only apps within that rating level will continue to appear normally. Once you've made your selection, tap Save. At that point, the filter is applied. Any app that exceeds the rating you selected will be hidden from Play Store search results and store listings. This can be useful if you want a cleaner Play Store experience or if you're setting restrictions for a shared device. Just keep in mind that this method hides apps within Google Play only. It doesn't truly make an installed app disappear from your device itself. The app may still remain installed, and depending on the phone, it could still be visible elsewhere outside the Play Store. If you ever want to change what's hidden, simply go back to the same parental controls section, enter your PIN, and adjust the allowed rating. And that's how to hide installed apps in Google Play using parental controls.